Hello everyone, this is Husnain from Xort Logix, and today I'm really excited to show you one of our most powerful builds yet. A sales and insurance performance tracking dashboard built inside GoHighLevel. The client running a fast-growing sales and insurance business had one major challenge: no clear visibility into agent performance, targets or results. They were juggling spreadsheets, manual reports and endless call logs, and still couldn't answer one simple question: that who is performing best and who needs help. So we built an end-to-end performance dashboard that brings every insight, every agent and every stat into one place. From lead generation to policy sales, everything now updates automatically and visually. Admins can now monitor how teams are performing in real time, set goals and track progress without switching tools or downloading reports. Let's start with the admin side first. Super admins can create multiple sub-accounts, assign teams, and link each agent to their supervisor. They can view their sales numbers, target completion rates, lead to sale conversions, and even track call, email, and SMS activity percentages, all in one dashboard. The analytics are clean, visual, and easy to interpret, with charts and KPIs that highlight trends instantly. And now, from the agent side, every salesperson has their own private dashboard. They can log in, check how close they are to meeting their monthly targets, review their policy sales, and track every interaction without asking their admins for updates. This not only builds accountability, but also motivation, because agents can see their reports, their progress, and rankings live. And yes, we have included a leaderboard. It automatically highlights top performing agents based on sales volume and goal completion, helping managers recognize and reward excellence. At the same time, it helps identify underperforming areas, so training and coaching can be more focused. This dashboard is fully integrated to GoHighLevel through a custom menu link, so teams can access it without leaving their workspace. From high-level insights to individual performance breakdowns, everything runs seamlessly inside your existing CRM. If you are managing a sales team and want this kind of clarity, automation, and performance control, we would love to build it for you. So let's build your agency's next breakthrough together.